Alright, so here we're going to be dealing with balance / postural control and the structures of the brainstem that associate with somatosensory, vestibular, and vision. Okay, so I'm pretty much just going to tell you which one is introduced at which level or structure or however you want to call it. Okay, so spinal cord. This is going to deal with your ground reactions. Okay, so that's my abbreviation for reactions. So that's gonna this is where somatosensory is gonna play a part in postural control. Okay, so all right, so somatosensory at the spinal cord level, and don't get confused with these arrows. These arrows aren't supposed to mean like this happens and then this happens. This is just breaking it down into little categories. The arrows mean nothing, okay? It's not a chain reaction, or a kinetic chain, that is. Alright, so now we have the brainstem, okay? This is going to deal with our postural tone. Okay? And this, man, it's a terrible arrow, is going to be where our vestibular system is kicked in, okay? I'm sure I'm right in the middle of this camera. Alright? So now, I'm going to bring these two together, cerebellum and basal ganglia, and these are going to deal with adapting quickly to postural movements. Okay, so adapt quickly depending on your change of pattern or the environment that is in. So we can say adapt quickly to task and environment. Okay. Next, we have our intact system, and I'm pretty sure that the notes kind of put the intact system and cortex together, but I wasn't quite sure, so I just made them different colors. So the intact system is going to adapt postural system. So pretty much what that means is that it's going to adapt to, I can't never remember this. It's going to adapt to meet the goals of stability and orientation from the environment. So, for example, since I kind of messed it up, so let's say that you're on rocks, you're not on a stable surface, you're eventually going to get to a point where you're stable. Well, your intact system is going to give you that last little bit of you being able to stabilize yourself with the associated environment, okay? And this is going to be where your vision is intact, okay? So, just a little recap. Spinal cord, somatosensory. Brainstem, vestibular. Basal ganglia, cerebellum, quickly to adapt. It doesn't really have anything in the notes. Just know that these two things are going to be able to coordinate, quickly adapt, quickly change your desired movement. Your intact system is going to be your visual, and that is going to be able to adapt your postural systems and stability and orientation with the environment. And that's pretty much it. So, hope it helps.